Live Bitcoin trading. Here we go again. I'm going to check the market. I'm going to look at the 4 hour, the 1 hour, 15, see if we're in a trading zone or a no trading zone, and then go from there. All right, let's start at the 4 hour all the way back. So it looks like we're in the red right now. But we're also, it's interesting, we're experiencing a saddle on the 4 hour, and the volatility is down too, so this is going to be a big move soon. It just might not be within the next hour or so. But it's gearing up for a big move. And by the looks of it, it could go up or down. You know. But the way we trade, we're always in the ready. We're always prepared for whether it goes up or down. So to us, it doesn't matter. Check the 1 hour. It's like we had a saddle here, and then it started to move within the past couple hours. Past 8 hours or so, 12 hours. So we're on the move. It could be at the end of a bear trend. Let's check the 30 minute. So right now it hit the bottom. There's a fractal here down. Still going down on the AO right here. But it looks like it's going up on the accelerator oscillator. And this is a lot more reflective of the current situation. This is a little bit behind the accelerator oscillator. This one reacts faster than this one, the AO. But it looks like we're going up on the accelerator, the AC, and then the volatility and the RSI, the volume's going down, but the trend is going up. So on the 30 minute, we're going up. Let's go look at the 15 minute. It's really a no trade zone. We'd like to see a saddle here, but there's a saddle on the. Was there a saddle on the 1 hour? I forget. No, it's in the middle of a trend here. So there's no saddle on the 1 hour. There's no saddle on the 15 minute. We're bearish on the 4 hour, and we're bullish on the 15 minute here and the 30 minute too. So technically it's a no trade zone. I wouldn't recommend trading right now, but since we're trading a paper account, we can practice our principles and see if we can profit a little bit. But we'll go ahead and trade a little bit, but I wouldn't be trading live if I was real money right now. Although it is gearing up in the 4 hour, it's a move. To do something. See, if I was trading the 4 hour, I'll show you what I would do. I'd have a fractal here. I'd have a sell stop here. And I'd have a buy here on the 4 hour. So I have a buy at 9,432. And I'd have a sell at 9,263. Let's see if we can figure out what wave we're in, the Elliott wave. Elliott wave is kind of like the underlying, a lot of people believe it's the underlying psychology of the market. If you look into Elliott wave, there's 5 waves. They all have different characteristics. And you can tell a lot by understanding the Elliott wave that you're in. So the way we can figure out what Elliott wave we're in is you look out the chart and you go 140 bars back. So I'm kind of just guessing right now. It's about 140 bars. And you go to you look at the awesome oscillator, the AO, and you see where the peak is. And the peak is generally a wave 3. So this was a wave 3 move down recently. Then this was a wave 4. And this is a wave 5 up. But it could be over already. Typically a wave 5 goes beyond the wave 3. But I notice in the Bitcoin charts that it doesn't happen all the time. Um, so we're almost in a wave 5. And this could go anywhere since it's a ABC correction after a wave 5. It's bearish right now. Let's look at the 5-minute chart. Five-minute chart, we had a wave 3 down. That was what we were looking at on the 1 hour. We just had this big move down. Looks like a wave 3 down for correction. And it should start going down again. But we have to wait to find out if that's true or not. Well, let's set up some buys and sells and see what we can do here and see if we can get some profits out of the market. We usually don't trade a wave 4, especially when it's not a saddle, but we're just going to trade on principle right now and just practice entering and exiting the market. So we got a saddle on the 1 minute though, so and the volume's down. Let's go ahead and put a buy stop here. We're likely going to go down though. So sell stop here. And I put buys at the latest up fractal, sells at the latest down fractal. Sometimes I go a couple fractals back. If you want to be safe, the more aggressive you get, the closer your buys and your sells are. But I buy, and I could go here to be less aggressive and to guard against whipsaws. But the market trends only 15% of the time. You want to be trading during a trend. That's why it's good to wait for a saddle. And right now we have a saddle on the 1 minute chart. Doesn't mean it's going to be a big move because it's only the 1 minute chart. But when there's a saddle, you want to tighten up your buys and your sells. Go ahead and place a stop loss here in case it breaks through the buy signal. Got a stop loss here. What I do is when it breaks through the buy, I move my stop loss. So my stop loss ends up helping me exit the trade. Always place a limit buy, a limit stop order. With the Bitmex, when you trade Bitmex, the fees will get you. So it's heading down. Let's set a stop loss on our sell signal. Just move the buy signal down, buy stop down to this fractal here. Give a shout out to Zimmer Tracks for the music. Some good tunes on there. Check them out. Now we just wait, guys. There's nothing exciting about it. It's kind of relaxing if you're just chilling and trading. You know, the market's pretty peaceful. A lot of people think the market's a dangerous place. You know, there's a funny analogy you can use. It's Bill Williams. He teaches this. He says, you know, what animal would you compare the market to? And a lot of people think it's like a wolf or like a bull or a coyote or something, like some animal that's an aggressive, violent animal, and it's because that it reflects what they psychologically what they think about the market. If it's a dangerous place, or if it's a volatile place, or if it's a stressful place, or if it's unpredictable, or if it's wild. It's hard to consider the market a friendly place, like a dog or like a domestic pet or something, if you don't understand how to trade the market and how to just, you know, love the market for what it is, and be able to trade according to price action and what the current, you know, what it currently information, the new information that's coming, what you're able to do with it, and how you're able to process it in a way that's not stressful is really key. So when we're trading and it just seems kind of boring and stuff like that, we're just waiting for the new information. We're just waiting for the market to tell us what way it wants to go. And when you're trading during a trading zone or trading period, like an optimal zone, when the 15-minute period is on a saddle, you know, you're anticipating a big move and a big trend. So whatever way it goes, whether it goes up or down, when you're trading the zone, it's like it doesn't matter which way it goes, because you're going to profit whether it goes up or whether it goes down. You'll be ready for it. And that's what I mean by just being patient and waiting for the market to tell you which way it wants to go. Right now, we're not necessarily trading in a zone, a trading period. We're just practicing principles. But we can still profit if a move would appear. I just can't guarantee that there's not going to be a bunch of whipsaws. Like, these are all whipsaws. It's not an ideal time to trade right now, but market doesn't want to go anywhere right now, so well, we can wait. We'll wait and listen to music and enjoy the time that we have. So this is why I go live. I would be doing this anyway, so might as well do a full disclosure and be transparent about it and help teach anyone that comes on here to watch these videos. I love trading and I love sharing what I know, and so I feel free to answer any questions you have if you have anything you want to ask me. So right now it looks like the volatility's gone down, but I just was noticing that it just touched the bottom line. A lot of times it likes to go up from there, whether it's a big down move or whether it's a big up move. So I just made a stop loss for the buy signal, just to be ready in case that creeps up there. Looks like we'll have our first buy here. It might not, really. I don't know. It could go either way.
Get ready for new playlists personalized for you. With new release mix, your mix, and discover mix, you'll easily find music that you'll love. Play them now in the YouTube Music app.
I'm going to tighten up my my cell right here. It's a down fractal. we're getting kind of saddled on the 1 minute. It means there could be a decent move. Nothing huge, but you know, $7 to $8 move maybe. It's been getting tighter and tighter, so I'm just gonna tighten up my stops and my buys. Alright, we triggered it. I'm gonna ride that up. Alright, that was a quick move up. For $9 was the top. So we got out. We got in at 650. It could still go up. I don't know that it'll go up a ton, but 650. I knew it was gonna be a $7 or $8 move. Just because it's on the 1 hour, just because it's on the 1 minute, it can still go up a little bit, but we'll have to see. $650 is about 2%. If I was trading Bitmex 50x, it's about 2%. 2% profits on a $10,000 account is about $200, so it's not a bad trade. I'm gonna stay out of this trade. Could take a buy up here. The bigger move. I gotta sell down here in case it drops a lot. Well, that's it. That's a good trade. I'm gonna get out of the market, and it's really a no trade zone anyway. So nice to make 2%. Uh, so yeah, thanks for watching.